Alright, edit. Next box. How long have I had this one? Let's see here. This one is from 9 of 22, another current box. I'm not going through all my old stuff, evidently. I got boxes in my room that have been there for 15 years. So. Or longer. I've been buying stuff on eBay since early 2000s, 99 I think. 2000 right that time frame. Probably still got unopened boxes and almost that far back. Okay, so this is a number 5, whatever the hell that is. I have no idea what these are. It's a round cylinder. And 2 round cylinders. About the size of a socket. About that size. I have no idea what it is. Find out. Oh, there it is. It's one of those. I don't know what the hell that is. I don't know. Oh, now it's getting shorter. Ooh, it's got a tit on it. Don't know. Still don't know what it is. Oh, it's hollow. Beats me. Don't know what it is at all. Ah, no wonder I can't tell what it is. Fucking tool. Yeah, a tip with a hollow and a hole in it. I couldn't figure it out. Duh, now we know what it is. So that's a 3/4 to 1/2 inch drive extension adapter. Not extension, adapter. These are Snap-ons. I've bought several of these now. The Harbor Freight ones break as soon as you get the first hit on the end zip gun. So I guess I got 2. Buy in volume, you get a better price, right? So Snap-on wants probably 80 to 100 bucks for that, I bet, knowing them. These I don't pay any more than 20 bucks a piece for. They're small. Here's my upper limit. Not counting shipping, because that's got another, 10 bucks at least. You've got to calculate shipping when you're buying parts. Oh, this is the other direction. There we go. Okay, this one no, this is 3/4 to 1 inch. That's a big boy socket there. Alright. So this is 3/4 to 1/2. It doesn't work. Who made this one? This looks like some China-ish crap. CRV. I'm guessing this is import junk. There's no name on it. CRV don't mean squat to me. That means import crap. So this is our 1/2 inch zip gun. It's our 3/8 zip gun. Ingerson rad on both of these. So this puts out like 220 foot-pounds of torque. This one here put out about 600 or so, 5.5. And a reverse about, almost 7 probably. So these are pretty stout. This is an old one that's made back in the 90s, but it was really stout for back in the day. I think they started making these back in the late 80s. So, but when you don't have enough balls to take your stuff apart, especially when you're going through extensions like this, or adapters, I mean. Whenever you go through an adapter, you lose power. So this is for putting the sprocket nut, or the flywheel nut on the left main for a shovel head. So you need big power. Now when you go to take off your crank socket off of your motor sprocket, you got a big 1.5 inch socket somewhere. One of these. You start heaving on it. This boy, and it starts hammering away and just boop, 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 and it ain't doing squat except tearing up everything. So every time it goes back, 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 it tears up stuff. So you want to get in there, zip it, and get the damn thing out. So this is the compensator nut here. Goes on there. See, every time it does that, it goes bang, 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 bang. It just tears up the socket. I mean, tool. See how it's getting all rounded off here? That's what happens. So what you want to do is you want to come in there with a lot of power and just go zip and pop that sucker clean off. So in order to do that, you need more balls than this thing has. So you gotta move up to the big boy stuff. One of these. This one will put out like 1,500 foot-pounds of torque. Notice I already got one attached to it. So I haven't broke it yet, but this is not rated for 1,500 foot-pounds. So what this does, this allows me to put the 1/2-inch socket on there, like that. You go after that with a big-ass pump, and you pop that sucker clean off pretty quickly. And it doesn't do nearly as much damage because it's just a sudden hit and it pops it. You're off. So you need big boy tools, but you also have you have to have a lot of airflow to run these things. So when you have airflow issues, you have old fittings, you got new fittings. See that difference in hole size, the two? So this will put out 4 times more volume air in this thing. So when you plug it up, when you hook up your air fitting to this one here, this thing is bleh, 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 and doesn't do crap. So you got to put a high flow fitting on it. So you have to upgrade all your fittings on your wall to be able to do this crap. So this here is a small fitting. This is a high load fitting. The other color coded purple merple. So these are Milton fittings. They're big high flow. So you put these into here. You can also put a regular low fitting in there. So this one here would fit into there also. But this one here will not fit in at all. Not even close. But anyway, so when you up the capacity, you're going good. And it takes big ass fittings like this for the next size up. So see the next size bigger. That's the big boy shit here. So this is another one here. So this one here was a old Snap-On. And see that's all square cut. So I'm expecting this one to shear right off. These modern ones are got these nice big large fillets in here. Radius. So has a lot more strength when you got just straight cut like this. So this thing will take way more than this will take. Assuming everything else is equal. So anyway, why I buy these, I got extras. So there's one on the gun, here's an extra one. And now we have well, this is the extra one. So we're doing good. This is the old extra one I had. So now I got another extra one. There might be another one floating around too if I don't look too hard. So now I got a couple extras. So it's alright. Nothing wrong with extras. Nothing worse than needing a gun, you break it and you're screwed. Now this one here is 3/4 to 1 inch. So this, if you have a big ass socket, has a big 1-inch hole in it. That'll allow me to do that. And this one's a 3/4 already. When you get that off, this plugs right in it. Then you got a 1-inch drive. That's why I bought it. Obviously that's why I bought it, but this is a bunch of crap. These are not. This is not a high quality piece. So I don't like buying cheap crap. So that was probably the best you got. Like I said, I had a Harbor Freight one of these. A customer picked up for me to use on his bike, and the first hit with this gun, it popped it. So it didn't last very long. So there you go. Big tools, big fittings, big adapters. Buy good parts. There you go.